30th. And I am going to Jake's house right now, which then we are gonna go to my guy Jerry, who did the engine for me, to try to figure out the truck problems that we've been having. So we're gonna be taking that 40-minute trek on over there. But first we're gonna stop and pick up Jake, and then we'll check back in with you guys then. Let's get over here to Jake's. There's the good old shit stain. Look at her in the sun. But the truck is still running very rough. I mean, we're shaking. What can I show you that? You look at the mirror, we're still shaking. So yeah, we'll check back in once he gets out here. We're bouncing a lot. we're not even doing 75 and we're bouncing all over the place. We got Jake now, so we're like 30 minutes out from this place, so we're gonna be there soon enough, and we'll see what Jerry has to say about it, because it is not riding nice right now.
I think it's compression. He has bad compression in his engine.
And if that's the case, I might be in some big trouble. So we'll check back once we're closer to Jerry. Here to Jerry's place, and we got a bunch of interesting vehicles out here, if I do say so myself. He's got a nice Corvette, some Dodge, we got an old Ford. We got a big Excursion over here. It's quite interesting, but this is his place here, so we're gonna head in and go give him a talk. It's real nice, huh? Sound that good. Sounds like a damn tractor. I wish. What? I wish. Back. We have a check engine light, but that's because we just ran the code. It's running lean. But we got some bad news, I guess. We found the problem. We just have to figure out what the problem is. It's cylinder 5. We pulled the plug while it was running, and the motor did absolutely nothing. Unlike the other ones where the motor, changed, obviously. But slug bug. And so yeah, we're gonna have to take it back to my guy Jerry here soon, within hopefully the next week, to have him look at it. He's gonna tear it apart, and if the motor is bad, I'm going after the company that gave me this motor, because it's under warranty and they guaranteed me that it was working and that it was perfectly fine and it would, it'd be great. But apparently that didn't hold up very long. I had it for a week. So once we have more to that, I guess we'll follow up with it. But for now, that's going to be the end of this video, guys. So make sure you like this video, subscribe for more, and we'll see you all in the next one. Saturday, and we're heading over to Jerry's shop yet again. This time I'm going to be leaving the truck there, because we finally got a code thrown yesterday, which is a good sign. It threw a malfunction ignition coil PCM code, which means it could just need a retune to the truck and be done with it. But I'm on my way over there now. I'm still near home, so it's gonna take me about 40 minutes to get there. But the truck sounds awful. I mean, I still sound like a tractor, and my brakes are getting worse as I drive. And I mean, you might be able to even hear them now, but they're just rubbing, and there's literally no pad left, so it just sounds awful. And when I brake, it's bad. So we'll check in once we're closer to him, and yeah. Drop the truck off back down that way. It's sitting back there. He said that he's hoping it's something simple after that code that we got, because he's saying it's probably just bad coil, or the PCM needs tuning or whatever. And he's gonna take a look at it first thing Monday morning. So right now I am just walking to the McDonald's down the road, because I got nowhere else to go. I'm waiting for my ride to get here. So I got about 40 minutes to kill. So we're gonna take a journey over here, and yeah, we'll be back eventually. I just found out from Jerry that all that was wrong was a bad coil. So somehow all that was wrong was a bad coil. So basically what that means is that well, Jake's gonna take me to go get my truck in a little bit, and right now I am driving the rental car, which is a Kia Soul. whipping the little box car here. I mean, it's a little fun. It's got sport mode and it goes, but yeah, I'm over it. I want my truck back. So in about 2 hours, I'll be heading over there to get my truck back with Jake, and we'll check back in then. And we're back in the truck, guys. So we just got over here with Jake. I'm gonna be heading back home now. We're gonna be shooting some back roads because I don't have an iPass. So we'll be right back. Me and Jake are currently just cruising down some back roads. We're still out here in New Lenox. We're taking some different routes home because I don't have my iPass. This is a tight curve. Jesus Christ. Holy shit. Yeah, we're still behind Jake. He passed me on that straightaway back there because he thinks he's funny, but yeah. He tried to rev me and it sounded like I had a Honda in front of me. I wasn't sure if I was looking at the right car or not. Take a listen to him. Oh wait, you can't hear him over my shit. Nah. Guys, so we just got back. I'm gonna go ahead and take care of this exhaust leak that I've been having because I am over the sound. So basically right now we're gonna come on in here and I'm just gonna take the 14 mil and we're just gonna get rid of that pipe that's under there. All I need is a 14 mil and a hammer, and I'm just gonna beat the thing off because I'm over it. And I mean, I've just about had it. So yeah, we'll come back once I'm under the truck. All right, so as we see right here, about to pop this pipe out. Just a second right here. If I can get it to come. But I mean, as we can see, it's disconnected here. And yeah, so no more exhaust leak. Well, here's why my light bar doesn't work. Seems that our wire got snipped here. So yeah, I'm gonna have to take care of that. But for now, this is done. We got our tools here and our pipe there. So yeah, basically guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. So the truck is back, it's finally working all good, you know. Right now I'm just sitting at on break at work right now, and we're just sitting in the truck here, you know, just eating our lunch, drinking some Bang, you know, nothing new. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video. Hopefully we have no more issues with this truck. I mean, it sounds great now, you know. We got rid of that exhaust leak, I was over it. This other resonator might be falling off here pretty soon though. So see you guys all in the next one. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more.